This month I watched the Republican debate. I know what you're thinking. Why? And gasp. I heard some gasps. But I don't know. I was fired up. I was jazzed even. Yeah, sparked. And I heard Vivek Ramaswamy. He introduced himself as a nut job. He introduced himself as skinny guy with a long last name. And I remembered Obama. Obama said the same thing. He said, I'm a skinny guy with a weird last name. And I looked at myself in the mirror. Completely naked, by the way. And I said, hey, you're a skinny guy with a long last name too. And I was jazzed. Can I get a ah? Can I get a ah? I was jazzed, man. And I decided right then and there, I'm running. I'm running for president. So hear me out. I wrote myself I wrote you guys my campaign base. A little song. And it's not rooted in facts. It's not factual, but these days facts apparently don't matter. But it is the truth. I met Joe the Plumber, kissed his baby too. He's just like me, I'm just like you. We went around in Iowa, ate so much corn, nearly collapsed. But Jesus Christ, my Lord and Savior, saved me from the crash. Now close your eyes, at that box, vote for me. Don't worry the cost, facts don't matter. Truth be told, same old stories never get old. They never get old. I was in the army in my younger days. My single parent mother worked minimum wage. My daddy was a fisherman and I graduated Yale Law. Ran my own company, taking shit from y'all. Close your eyes, check that box, vote for me. Don't worry the cost, facts don't matter. Truth be told, same old stories, they never get old, no, they never get old. I'm experienced, successful, especially I'm a man. I'll say anything to anyone if you give me the chance. I know Joe the Plumber, his baby's my nephew. He's just like me, I'm just like you. So give me your donations, I'll put it in a TV ad. Millions and millions of dollars, Joe the Plumber won't ever have to vote for me. Check that box, vote for me. Don't matter the cause, facts don't matter. Truth be told, same old stories, they never get old. No, they never get old. They never get old. They never get old. I can say anything, oh, they never get old. They never get old. They never get old.